Hey guys, Den of Tools mentioned this. I could possibly get these, but I'll need a bunch of them. Because each drawer can only handle 5 pounds each, like it says. I'll just have to think it through. But it's gonna take a bunch of these if I wanted to go this crazy. Or I could go and decide through a bunch of these. I'll just have to decide on... No. Could do that. Or I can go a cheap route. Or I go through any of these brands for tool storage. Or I go toolboxes, tool bags. I'm probably going with toolboxes or tool storage, I don't know. But I will let you guys know. So, hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes future where you get notified when I post the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.